Eat your food, bird. Eat your food. Now you see can bats. Okay, bird. Ay, with lighting pa, ha? Okay. Good on, bird. Eat your food. Don't be shy. Yeah. I'm not this way, but I'm right bombs. I'm Mac right. I'm not Mac right bombs. Right bombs. I'm Ruel Buntog. Ruel Ribons Buntog. Corbita Buntog. Yes. Yeah, eat your food now. I uh, tomorrow or later you can get your snack na later. Hmm. I love you too, my babes. Okay. Same. I love you so much, my babe. At the back, okay. I love you so much, my babes at the back. Okay, I love you too, Moira. I love you, Moira. I'm just happy. I'm just happy for she talking to me. Okay. God knows everything, word. God knows everything. Yeah, okay, it's right. Eat your food. Don't be shy. Yeah. My boss Katie Duterte is my friend. Bird. Si President Duterte is the very best president. Yeah. Of course, and the Ferdinand Marcos, of course. Yeah, junior and senior. Your burdens. Eat your food now. That's it. Okay. How about you?